Again, that link will be down below, so you can check that out in the description area. Click on it, and if you have Netflix, I highly recommend watching it. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to do the unboxing for the doTERRA LRP for August. And again, this is like a Christmas in a box. I'm really excited. This box is a little bit smaller than normal, but it is not without amazing goodness. And just as a quick recap before we get into the unboxing, the doTERRA LRP is like a frequent flyer program or hotel rewards program where the more you use and improve your health with, the more free products you get over time. And so there you go. So let's get right into it. We're going to open it right up. There we go. Oh, all right. Here we go. Packaging. Sustainable packaging, right? So no bubble wrap. That's the first thing that you'll notice. Okay. There you go. Paper Plus. Can you see that? That's the brand that they're using to have more sustainable packaging. No plastic. There you go. At the time of me ordering this, they're still low or limited quantities or out of the TerraZyme. And so I ended up just getting an additional MicroPlex VMz, which is a multivitamin. But if you look at the ingredients, you'll see here vitamins, minerals, that's right. But you'll also see proprietary whole foods blend, but you'll also see some active enzymes. And so I still get enzymes, a tummy tamer blend as well in here. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer. There's some glare, but you can kind of see it as I scroll. But there you go. Fill in the gap from what you don't get from the standard American diet, also known as SAD, S-A-D. All right, so here you go. There's that. And then you also have the PB Assist Plus. So these are probiotics. And they also come with a prebiotic to feed the probiotic, and you can see them all right here. There you go. This is very important for supporting healthy digestion as well as a healthy immune system. And I take this with the Lifelong Vitality Pack, which I call the trio here, or the Three Musketeers. They're awesome. So I got 2 of those. And then this is the vegan version, or plant-based version that I get. I'll open it right up. First one is the MicroPlex VMz, which we just talked about, so I'm going to set that off to the side. Then we have here the VE Omega. So this is plant-based and has omegas 3, 6, and 9. It also has some vitamins here. I'm trying to fight the glare here. It's got a vegetable omega blend, which, there we go. And then we also have the CPTG oil blend, 9 essential oils, including clove, frankincense, thyme, cumin, wild orange, peppermint, ginger, caraway, and German chamomile. So this is going to support your muscles, your joints, as well as your brain function. And this is really important because people, again, the standard American diet is void of the healthy omegas. So you need to balance out those omega-3s and 6s. The omega-6s are inflammation causing, and the omega-3s are going to support a healthy inflammatory response. And so that's why getting a balanced amount, an important amount, is very important as a part of a daily health regimen.
Speaking of supporting your health, when is the last time you got an eye exam or improved your eyesight? Let's face it, it's pretty challenging to get your eyeglasses when the glasses store in your neighborhood or mall is closed or limited during these times. How would you like to be able to stay at home and have your eyeglasses shipped directly to you? Optical Next can provide you, or someone you know, a user-friendly purchasing experience online to make it possible for everyone to buy affordable eyewear right from home. Visit opticalnext.com or click the link in the description area below to learn more.
And that's what I do. Oh yeah. Alright, so the next one is the Alpha CRS Plus. These are plant-based botanicals to support cellular energy naturally, without caffeine, without sugar. You can see the ingredients here. I'm just going to go down them. The cellular longevity blend. You have the cellular energy blend. And then you have the doTERRA tummy tamer blend. So that is all up in here as well. There you go. So there's a pattern you see with a lot of these. It's supporting your cellular health, number one. It's going to support your digestion, your immune system. And these are plant-based options as well. There's other options that you can explore with doTERRA, but since I am vegan, those are the things that I do. Alright, so there you go. Next, we have some sustainable, which looks like kind of 3D packaging. Look at that. Oh my goodness. No bubble wrap. There you go. Going sustainable. So what do we get this month? Well, I will tell you I will tell you something. All right. Wow, lots of products here. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay, so so this is the month where I set my LRP in advance, like the previous month, and then I checked it a couple times, updated, but I didn't update it a final time, or else I wouldn't have gotten this many wild oranges. Oh my goodness. So I ended up getting 4 wild oranges. What I really wanted to get was a lemon, lime, wild orange, tangerine, or maybe a, instead of tangerine or wild orange, maybe a grapefruit. And so I wanted that. That's what I, looking back, would have done. This is a little learning lesson. But you may be saying, wow, you got so many, haha, you over-ordered, how about that now? What are you going to do with all that? Hey, because this is wild orange, I have many uses for this. This is the happy oil, very energizing. I use it in my green smoothies. I use it to clean my hands when I'm out touching doorknobs or shaking hands if I, care to do so, especially during these times. But I'm not afraid because I have essential oils here to support my immune system. So there you go. And then what else can I use wild orange for? Yeah, just make sure you use glass, stainless steel, or a ceramic container when taking it internally with doTERRA. I'll do that. But the primary use is for my hands, for cleaning products, when cleaning surfaces and other things, and then in my green smoothies. So that's these are going to go quick. I rest assured. So these are definitely going to get put to use. Citrus oils, I'm never really worried about, having too many of them. And then you can see the batch numbers, because some people have left some comments like, hey, how do we find out, the CPTG testing results or the GCMS testing results? There you go. You go to source2u.com, type that in, and there you can get those results with doTERRA. And then lastly, the product of the month is the Caraway. Let's smell this. This is the 5 ml, the baby size. All right, we'll give you the first smell. There you go. What you think? All right, here we go. Okay. Kind of reminds me of dill. Kind of has a pickle flavor. I mean, a pickle smell. Yeah, that's kind of what it reminds me of. Okay, interesting. Caraway. The health benefits will be on doTERRA's website, or I'll create a future video for it as well. But yeah, there you go. Caraway. And this can be taken internally. Huge. How do you know? Supplement facts tell you so with doTERRA. And then there you go. I do have videos for those who don't believe in the internal use of essential oils in general, or with doTERRA. And so, okay. There's also a Netflix documentary that talks about essential oils that I wanted to give a quick plug for, and you can check that out. I'll have that link in the description below. Make sure to watch it, and I would say watch it with an open mind to both sides of the pro and anti-MLM discussion. Again, that link will be down below, so you can check that out in the description area. Click on it, and if you have Netflix, I highly recommend watching it, so you can get, again, both sides of the coin, not just one, but both sides. I'm really a big advocate of looking at both sides, as you can tell. Both sides of the coin, both sides of the essential oil. And then what am I going to do now with all this, now that it's done? Well, I am going to remove the barriers to use, meaning I'm going to unpackage and open everything and put them where they need to be. Everything has a place. It's important for them to be in their place so that when I do need to use them, I can place them where they need to be inside my body, or on my skin, or in the air through aromatherapy. And so, yeah, removing barriers to use and placing these where you can't help but use them is very important once you understand the benefits and uses properly. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did. Share this video with somebody that would benefit from it. And most importantly, check out the links in the description below and that Netflix documentary so you can look at both sides of the essential oil coin, pro essential oils as well as anti-essential oils, pro MLM, anti-MLM. And so at least you have, again, my goal is just perspective, whether you like, agree, dislike, disagree with any of it. There you go. All right, and I'll see you in the next video.